Allá van con el balón en los pies y ninguno los podrá detener. El estadio vibra con la emoción de ver jugar a los dos. A los dos.
It's time to see what I can do to test the limits and break through. No right, no wrong, no rules for me. I'm free. Let it go, let it go. I am one with the wind and sky. Let it go, let it go. You'll never see me cry. Here I stand, and here I stay. Let the storm rage on.
Lomachenko, que va a hacer su primer intento con 220 kilos. Katerina Lomachenko para realizar ¿cuál es su último intento? Caras de concentración.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody'd be served like California. You'd see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy, bushy blonde hairdo, serving USA.
Rising up, back on the street. Did my time, took my chances. Went the distance, now I'm back on my feet. Just a man and his will to survive. So many times it happens too fast. You trade your passion for glory. Don't lose your grip on the dreams of the past. You must fight just to keep them alive. It's the eye of the tiger, it's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last known survivor stalks his prey in the night. And he's watching us all with the eye of the tiger. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly.
The promise I made, put it all on the line. What I hope for at last would be mine. If I could reach higher, just for one moment touch the sky. From that one moment in my life, I'm gonna be
Estoy loco por el tenis, me encanta su juego tan emocionante. Estoy loco por el tenis, me encanta su ritmo tan electrizante. Estoy loco por el tenis y lo quiero practicar para ver si mañana soy un Santana para triunfar.
Mira, mira, en cancha está una nueva jugadora. Juana es su nombre y tiene mucha calidad. En la grada Sergio está viéndola jugar y su joven corazón late, late fuerte, fuerte, fuerte. Juana y Sergio son ahora dos enamorados. Sergio y Juana, dos deportistas y un amor. Juana y Sergio son ahora dos enamorados. Sergio y Juana, que se abran con el corazón. Siempre serán felices Juana y Sergio, siempre.